It's true you have me twisted by the fingers. It seems that's where I belong. You know to hold me, to feel me and control me, just enough to keep me hanging on. Just enough to keep me hanging on. My heart is like a yo-yo on a string. I'm tied to you right or wrong. My love keeps growing, 'cause your love keeps a showing, just enough to keep me hanging on. Just enough to keep me hanging on. Love is strong is mine, will make me do most anything, like hiding tears and howling and dreaming, sleeping. You got me where you want me, you keep stringing me along, just enough to keep me hanging on. Just enough to keep me hanging on.
Oekaigeta Steve Rogers na eko thiini wa studio neno ni tarada into ya muthenya wa umuthi. Thank you muno Steve.
Asante sana.
Ngocera goko thiini wa studio ya Inoro TV.
Asante sana bwana Ken.
Riu tatwire hihi tabotwire marito maku wega ucoke utwire witagwo atia wega kana ukoragwo hana atia?
Marito mako magifadi jitagwo Steve ni Wainaina Majoge. Steve Rogers yokire ta nickname kumarira ndambiriirie kuina country music. Andu makiambia ndamenyete kuina nyimbo cia Kenny Rogers kiambiriria, although ni ndagithire ningithite na mbere na kumenya nyingi makiria. Hau niho Rogers iraingiriire.
Okay.
Na ngirigeria rita rimwe kuri thengi no makiregana rio. Yes.
Na hihi no nyimbo cia country wina kana no wina nyimbo ingi Steve?
Well, thaisi nyina muno country music, although ni turageria ona kuhe nyimbo cia Gikuyu feel ya country music, muno muno makiria ta hymns. Turakorwo tukigeria gwika undu ta ucio, no muno nyina nyimbo cia country music.
Steve, hihi ugati nyimbo cia Gikuyu gucihe that feel ya country music? No twire ta rwimbo ta ruriku guo hihi?
Rwimbo ta Manage ni rwimbo rumwe rwa tene muno. Mbere Jesu agacoka age Manage na Manage ni moaldo ala anakura magatena tachata ota yakewane na maga takana Manage make. Aya no akigwa ucio ni Steve Rogers. Nado message ciukire guku. Hi Ken, cowboy wa Mbo listening from Nax, napenda your show, naomba Dolly Parton. No inesia Dolly Parton. No tugerie rumwe.
Tuhutirio na akore kifugo kemwe tine turuba ko ige akore kifugo kemwe.
Back to these I go wandering once again, back to the seasons of my youth. I recall a back play someone gave us, and I'm I put the legs to you. They were of many colors, and every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat, and he was without leave before. Mama sewed the legs together, my Colombiana, my mama made for me.
Aha. Nina brera okroge tuma SMS okro request ribo hai Niger kumarisha onya he gotea huyu jamaa please usome SMS yangu dada dhoma huyo mtu akona sound mzuri sana ni msoko kutoka Kambura Charles Ireri wa Shamata hai Ken na request Jorin ya Kedori Patron digoshiria dina brera okroge okidumira SMS hai hi Ken wakuraya mure athakire coward of the county Ken we mwega mere hoya muthe njitagwo shusho wa Angel yore akwa ni kianagi onekane tukuhoya akorwo akionekana Steve
yes
uinaga weika oguo kana uinaga na band
nikoragwo na band na nikio raiguo ngiuga rimwe nyimbo cia Dolly Parton no cireme kuina tondu tukoragwo na female singer na I have a whole band etwo the Highway Band ni tukoragwo tukiina hamwe nao
hii ndiro boro kuwendete muno which is your favorite song
ni ndo muritu muno kuga nyimbo favorite tondu kuringana nyimbo iria tuinaga no ni nyingi muno makiria no I think recently koragire mundu muna kurugitwo Don Williams Don Williams ni inete bota Desperate My heart is out of control This all love tracks on Just these for the moment you'll alone When I hold on to you It is all I can do Just to keep my feet on the ground Desperately loving you desperately When you're not here with me I get a little bit crazy Constantly I think about you constantly Look at what you've done to me I'm just a little baby Oh, I love you desperately Will I laugh, will I cry Will I leave, will I lie It all depends upon you It is strange, yes I know To be lost in you so But I am, and there's nothing I can do Desperately, loving you desperately When you're not here with me I get a little bit crazy Constantly I think about you constantly Look at what you've done to me I'm just a little baby Whoa, I love you desperately
Loving you desperately na nero borwega muno makiria thank you muno makiria airetu goku maugire bu ndiramenya kuri ukogerera amatongoretio ni Ju niwe Cheredy wa Fislet Hi Ken wow Steve is amazing great sound can you pray for me island of the country go tire gero patarau island in the stream Hi Ken era Steve anyinero Don Williams and Mama Moi from Nanyuki Mama Moi no akro wainero Too Good to Be True by Charles Pride Aris Geta Kumail Bagon Hero Ken Susan from Busia that guy has a great voice please song by Diamond Rio One More Day
wow Last night I had a crazy dream Wish was valid just for me They could people anything These legs for Molly All the much on Malibu Simply wish one more day with you One more day One more time One more sunset maybe I'll be satisfied But then again Don't want you to leave me wishing see One more day with you Leave me wishing see One more day with you Leave me wishing see One more day with you.
Nukwa juge ule oroga we karo. Okay. Isio dikuga. Hemo iretu. Auma ogorofa aikomi na keri. Aikoroka studio. Oka augete. Niye oyo ageturaga. Direra kuga no. Hi Steve Rogers, I'm proud of you. Hey, the refresh yo kanyige ne modo wetwaga Samoik. Across the Bridge by Jim Leaves.
Thank you so much.
Hi Ken Steve Akoju, and I'm also an upcoming one lady guitar. Sherry Wairo. Wow, a golden voice. Pray me the best friend by Don Williams. Penina or Kumamona Waida. Hi Steve, I'm so proud of you. Atene, by the way, Niki Motora Jeria said, hi Ken, Mukaba Mukaga Ivia. Yani only stories are quite good. Inamaro ya tiata mo Ken wow. Oh, inoni ya obie. Na hauna watu wakinya. Hauna karo. Ginya ko igato kore nyiga tako dadu ko hauna watu wakinya goli ate ina mathaa mana. Eure Steve.
Yes.
Aragiro mede kumenya wewe inaga ko kana hii mage kuona ko kaigina kaigi.
Nitukoragwo na kindu tugwita regular gigs or every Wednesday nitukoragwo haria Jambo Grip kwambiriria thaa 2 nginya thaa 6. Muthenya wa Juma nitukoragwo Upper Hill Springs kwambiriria thaa 2 na guo muthe twi kundu gwitagwo Lilian Corner Hotel Thika Town niko tukorwo kwambiriria thaa 1 nginya mathaa ma thaa 6 cia utuku. Yes.
Kogo mundu angikubatara weri.
Yeah.
Oine asa ugo muro yetigo ndoria. Mundu angikubatara oine thini wa event yake ri. Ni wikaga guo.
Ocio nä å ndå tå hotaga gwä ka ocio nä mo mawä ra marä a maingä tå rutaga kå ina magångånda-inä.
He rwä mbo niä ndärenda kå rwä tagwo Lovers Live Longer.
Bellamy Brothers.
Rwä mbo rå ndä rarå ndedikä tä ra
Lovers be longer, lovers be right, lovers get crazy, deep in the night. Lovers be longer, let's stay together, wherever we go, we're money forever. Baby, let it in the news today. I'd say to be life or late, but the pain is obey here to say something we've known all along. Lovers be longer, lovers be right, lovers get crazy, deep in the night. Lovers be longer, so let's stay together, 'cause wherever we go, we're money forever. I'll play your body like a fine guitar. You light me up just like a shining star. Let them guess we're young all over ya. We just love a lot to wait. Lovers be longer, lovers be bright, lovers get crazy, deep in the night. Lovers be longer, so let's stay together, 'cause wherever we go, babe, we're money forever. Yes, wherever we go, babe, we're money forever. Yes, wherever we go, babe, we're money forever.
Lovers Live Longer. Bero gore tiate da dedicate rao. A dedicate ra mundu wothe wendete mundu. Akone wendete mundu menya Lovers Live Longer. Ati andu aria mendanite ni maikaikaraga.
Muno makiri.
Itugo? Koguo agikone unyendete ma tamenya ni guikaikara. ona tho iria ndacoka kwigira umuthi kuma Steve Walker makiria kuma guku nona airetu yothe ona magigũka haha matikoragwo guku hindi iyo ingi makoragwo kuria. Hi Ken, I'm Faith wa Johi. I got a passion in country music. Request him to play for me if Hollywood doesn't need you. I still Rodon Williams. Kiukiuria nigucokia June matirareka huruke mainre if Hollywood doesn't need you.
Well, you know I'm not much good at lighting dinner, so I gave up and decided that I'd call. No, the city, not much news to tell you. Things back here, they'll never change at all. Late snow today, leaves go here for November. Well, I know now the weather's almost there. Only if you see Bambino's, would you shake his hand for me? Tell old Bob I've seen all his movies. Well, I hope he made the big time. I hope your dreams come true. But if Hollywood don't need you, all the others still do. If Hollywood don't need you, all the others still do. Last night I drove the track to Amarillo. So friends and I, we had a laugh or two. But lately we don't cut up like we used to. 'Cause all that I could think about is you. And I know this is what you always want. Well, I know now that all I want is you. All if you see Bambino's, would you shake his hand for me? But tell old Bun I've seen all his movies. Well, I hope you made the big time. I hope your dreams come true. But if Hollywood don't need you, all the others still do. If Hollywood don't need you, all the others still do.
We messages yukite athuri kai mwiko muthe ni mwe kanitha kyo mutarandika SMS. Joyce wako Makayore, Steve, you're talented. Hi Ken, era Steve, aine forever and ever. Asa tigana ruwa ici mathane mathira fio. Steve Rogers ni muini wa nyimbo cia country music na Steve kiuria kiria kirorio.
Yes.
Wera komoraga ngoro kana umajenge. Aroria kana wina mundu. Ui abotiga nini? Nimwe hariirie i. Aya, macokerie kana wina mundu.
Acha ndire na mundu.
Yeah? Bas. Karo, gutiri undu ungikira uguo ndiraigua matu-ini wikire mwiroreri aigue. Baruga nginya haleluya. Atio niwe Ngai uria turamahoya. Ngai ndemwire. Aya, Steve ni wakeigua uria akiuga. No ti ati wiciria ati riu ndai na mundu ati riu no nginya wikorwo nawe ukiiguite. Steve, nijui wina rwimbo rweru
niguo.
Twire kihumo kia rwimbo ru ucoke tugutirie rwimbo ru na niguo tugutirie hana ru.
Maita maingi kwana kona ugitigwo ni mundu wendete muno makirie mundu angikorwo ni gukua. Ni ukoragwo na kindu gitagwo denial kana kwaga gwitikira na ni ndumuritu muno kuret someone athiitu ona mundu arikia maundu mothe marika guthira bado no utigagwo tondu aikono wendete mundu no utigagwo no ukiririria gwakona mundu ucio hindi ingi. Rwimbo ruru ni rwimbo rwa guteithiriria ihinda-ini ta riu rwitagwo Let Him Go. Kana kurekereria mundu athie. Yes.
No gutinera rwimbo ru hihi no tuhe Facebook page yaku nigetha mundu wothe ungienda gukorwo ku friend request.
Yes. Yeah, gitagwo Steve Rogers Wainaina.
Steve Rogers Wainaina
Facebook. Yes. Yeah.
Good. Thank you muno Steve, nigwetikira guka na thank you muno nigukorwo wi cowboy.
Na thank you muno makiria
Saru gukorwo wi cowboy ni ritana.
Nima.
Nwageithio muno ni muiritu wetagwo June Karo wa Kamau egwikirite ihinda ria kinya nginya haria na ni akorwo aguthuka nginya ngari-ini na acenjia. Airetu ni ndona makihaka makeup oi Mary kamera gaitu kahurire mbica no mbica karahura haha ona gatiracugurika na kamera mwanake wita nginya uri guku kai niki mutigi nginya asari guku riu ni ugicagura ugithie na nino cia maitho kundigira tafadhali tene ni ndiraugaga no riu no akiona uria gwagithie before you came wetu hurire wimbo
let's all let him go.
Know you heart and your heart is bleeding. You wonder why you had to leave so soon. You cry all night, wishing you come back, but it's time that you let him go. Let him go, let him go. Though he hurts, but he's gone for good. Let him go, let him go. He's done his part, just let him go. Say not to grieve, but he's no more. But be thankful that he was. Treasure the memories that you shared together. But it's time that you let him go. Let him go. Though he hurts, but he's gone for good. Let him go, let him go. He's done his part, just let him go. Let him go, let him go. Though he hurts, but he's gone for good. Let him go, let him go. He's done his part, just let him go.